Hey, just came back from Emerald Gym, so it wasn't crowded this time that much. I paid only $400, 400 baht for the session. Actually, I didn't want to go, but I'm kind of glad that I went because I don't know, it was cool. Like I said, it wasn't that super crowded. Yeah, and to be honest, I learned more in private sessions than now. It's like so, especially even if it's more people, like the trainer is not gonna come to you. Like two times the trainer came to me like for like 3 minutes or 5 minutes or 10 minutes, and then the ring, and the ring, but there's like no technique, no learning. You just just punch and that's it. If you do like super wrong, maybe they'll tell you something. So yeah, like I said, I didn't want to go, but I'm glad I went. I checked it out. My wrist hurts. Yeah, but it hurts from Kasamui. It's like it was developing little by little. At first, like it hurt a little, then more, then more, then more. Especially hurts when I'm doing the hooks. So yeah, I don't know. My my ankle also hurts a little bit, but it's not that bad. It's not that I can walk. So just I don't want to have like problems, but yeah, what else can tell you? I actually feel like kind of bored, like feel tired, like I'm drinking coffee again, so my sleep sucks. I'm waking up at night, I'm drinking 2 cups. Yeah, I'm too sensitive to coffee, so yeah. And if I wake up in the morning, I don't have it, like I feel very bad. Yeah, it's like a drug, so I feel like kind of bored, kind of lonely. Huh. Need to get a Thai girl or something. I don't know, but problems, problems. Yeah, usually like I'm getting off topic, but usually they don't look at why people like why white skinned people, because it's like a taboo that only Thai girls go for them for money, from villages. So the upper class and the middle class, it's like it's not like a good thing, like something like that. It's like more for the girls that don't have money. They even don't like why guys usually, that's what I heard. I don't know if it's true, but that's what I heard. So yeah, today is September 4th. What else can I tell you? Yeah, I don't know. Life is good, but also, it's like it's boring. Like I'm not achieving anything special. It's like same stuff. I'm not enjoying it. To be like, everybody maybe thinks like, wow, it's so cool, like traveling, but I enjoyed it maybe 5 or 10% the most. A lot of times it sucks. It sucks to change the new places. It sucks, the traveling, the buses, the sun, the bugs, the mosquitoes, the rain, everything, like the heat, like the water is so freaking salty. Like in Europe, in my the sea is not that salty. You come from the water, everything itches. Like there's bacteria in the sea. It's not like in Europe. There's like viruses here, like infections, like because it's so humid. So, it just looks cool, but like if you really enjoy the top highlights, or maybe less than 5%, like maybe 2%, the highlights that you see on like Instagram or something, but my YouTube, it's like authentic. I'm not doing any editing. Maybe just when I start the video, and I say like today is, maybe I just cut that part, but it's like 2 seconds. That's it. So yeah, well, what else? Yeah, so if I'll stay here, I only will stay for the gym, this Emerald. Well, actually, like I said, I'm very glad I went there, but private sessions for me were better, especially Koh Samui. Like I said, Koh Samui is so far the best. Was also boring, but it was comfort. Yeah, it was boring, but I had comfort. I had a good gym, I had cheap durian, I had potatoes, had a I had a bike, not a very good bike. I could get like a better, but I had a bike. I had a good helmet. Yeah, the island was like chill. There were like very touristic spots, but there also were like very local spots. That only locals almost go. It's very big. There's a lot to do. Yeah, so another food was cheaper. Here it's like expensive. I don't like it. Like almost like in Europe, like €2 for coffee. Like what the hell? Like €2. Some kind of bullshit. €1, I get it, but in Thailand, €2, like it should be like 50 cents the max. Like compared to their wages, like €300 per month is the minimum wage. You pay €2 for coffee. Yeah, I like said to one Thai person, if you keep like doing this, like nobody's gonna go to Thailand. Of course they're gonna go, but like the budget travelers are definitely not gonna go, like because they're milking them dry. The tours, everything. They're just looking for a chance to make more money. Yeah, I heard like now they're gonna, if you live in Thailand, they're gonna like do income tax. So if you live and you get like money from abroad, they're gonna tax you. Yeah, stupid. Well, I don't know. I don't care that much, but yeah. Yeah, I'll probably go now to get a shower. Then I'll go to get dinner. Then maybe durian. The durian also sucks. It's like some kind of old durian. It's like one part was even moldy, and it's twice the price. Like what the hell? Annoying. Like I don't get it. Like yeah. Even the hotel like is so cheap. I asked for water. Yeah, I got 2 bottles of water today, but they don't give me any anymore. They're almost fuck you. No more water for you. Man, come on. It's only water. You should have like a tank or something. It's so hot here. You could like die from dehydration. You should support, the local health of tourists. Now I need to go on a scooter like to 7-Eleven and buy some water. Come on, man. Like that's not nice. No breakfast here also. Freaking sucks. Today I almost made a crash, I woke up like hammered. Like I don't know, that coffee like makes me hammered like hell. So I went on the scooter, it was okay. Then I was like driving, like I just woke up and I was like driving. So I went back and I was like thinking, the one way, just don't mix the lines. Go on the left side, not the right. So I mixed the lines. I was going on the right side and there was like a truck on the curve. So good that I saw it and he saw me, so he stopped. But if I went any faster, it would be not good, It's not like a car. A scooter hits a car, you get injured at least. Yeah, so yeah, it sucks. Like I need to go like on a scooter to look for breakfast because they don't have any breakfast here. Yeah, shitty hotel annoys me. Like even if you go for breakfast, it's like hard to find breakfast. Like nobody. I don't know. Maybe they don't eat breakfast. I don't know. So yeah, this is gonna be, I don't even know how long, 10 minutes. Yeah, if somebody watches this full, good for you, cool, you're my #1 subscriber. Even my family doesn't watch this long, so So yeah, you're cool. You can donate money maybe if you want to. Also, that would be cool. You know, get money. It would be motivation. But yeah, I have money. It's cool. You don't need to do that. I'm good. Yeah. What else can I show you? I showed my room. This is my room. Has a TV, but who the hell watches TV? Only Thai people. It's everything is Thai. No Netflix, no nothing. Yeah, 2 beds. Stupid, like Superior, and they only have 2 beds. There's not an option like 1 big bed. Fucking stupid. I think that they're doing this kind of cheat, you know. People book Superior, they come with a couple and they think, oh yeah, there's gonna be 1 large bed, and then they say no, it's 2 beds, and then they say you need an upgrade, and they're gonna charge you way more than you would pay through Agata. Well, I think it's like that because the Superior are super cheap and the other rooms are way more expensive. So I think it's a scam because nobody like goes like single, like 1 or 2 people like in the whole hotel. It's only me and some other weird ass dude that goes alone, man. So yeah, if you do Muay Thai, do this on your fingers, because last time who's my special watchers know that I had an infection after that fucking Muay Thai. Had to waste almost 1,000 euro and had like 1 month off in Chiang Mai, and they said like don't wet your feet, and it was the rainy season, so it wasn't even like I need to walk with a fucking bag on my foot. It sucked, but you know, I learned. I seen a lot of dudes with this on their feet and infections everywhere. I sound angry, but I'm not angry. I'm just bored. Yeah, there's construction here. Usually they don't work in the morning. Well, they never did. Just in the evening. Yeah. Well, the AC is very good. It's new. I like that. As a chair. It's kinda cool. Just, you know, you definitely need a girl, man. You definitely need a girl. It's too much being alone for 9 months traveling. Well, if you know, I had a girl in somewhere like other countries, in Taiwan. Yeah, it kind of was good, but also it kind of was very annoying. And I kind of wasted a lot of time. Also, have this stuff. It's very nice. Some kind of brand. So there's herbs inside. On the bottom is some kind of liquid, and it's like very, very refreshing and minty. And it gives you this good, you know, like tiger balm, if you know. It's like a little bit like tiger balm. Oh man, it's so good, especially when it heats up. You know, it gets very it heats a lot, and it's like fuming, and it's way more potent, so it just refreshes you. And a lot of Thai just use it everywhere. One of my trainers said it's like for old people, but I don't know. I saw a lot of Thai people using it. I bought this one from 7-Eleven also, but it sucks. It's nasty. It's some kind of roses and stuff. So yeah, it's like, oh fuck, it's nasty. Don't buy this one. It doesn't smell good. It's like some kind of weird herbs, like some kind of, I don't know, oregano with, I don't know, it's just nasty. So yeah, the drug gaidis, it's amphetamine. We call it amphetamine. So yeah, don't do amphetamines. Buy this instead. buy this rooster and refresh yourself. So this dude, he does Muay Thai, he sells it for 20 euros. It costs only €1 here, even less. So 20 euro, and here like less than €1. And everybody buys it. Hey friends, so I'm ending September 4th, heading to bed. I extended my stay till 7th, so yeah.